Hi guys, so this is my first video, and so this YouTube channel will be based on the WordPress and web development. And today's session, so we'll be looking into the how to set up a WordPress site on your Mac or Windows PC. So let's, without any further delay, let's go into the session. So first of all, let's download this local software for your Mac or Windows. So just type here in Google. So I'll provide this link on description as well. So just go here and go to the local and just download. So there's no rocket science, just create your account and download the software and install it. And after you install it, just go to the site, and here these are the sites which I have been created before, kind of for YouTube sessions. So just let's create a new site here. So here's the plus icon, so just click that. Let's create a new site or create it from blueprint. So this is the first WordPress site for you. So let's create a new site. So that will be in our default settings. Just go click the continue, and here it will ask for your WordPress site name. So let's give some random name. Let's go with a dash 3. Okay, let's go with this. So into the advanced option, so this is going to be our URL, and here the path of the files will be saved. So let's click this continue, and here it will ask preferred or custom settings. So let's see with the custom what are there. So in custom, you can choose the PHP versions and your web server like NGX or Apache or database, whatever you want. So let's go with the default options. So let's click the preferred and click the continue. So here we'll ask for WordPress username and the password. So let's type some admin. So this is what we normally type, admin. So yes, click the add site. So it will load for a couple of seconds, or maybe 5 to 10 seconds, maybe it depends on your PC performance. All right, and it's taking much time here. All right, so it has come. So here you can see WP admin, there's a button. Open a site, there's a button. So database and tools. So here you can just navigate. So to view the site, just go to this open site. It will go to your Google Chrome. It's taking a couple of seconds loading. All right, here it comes. So this is going to be our WordPress site. So nothing much. All right, so let's log into the WP admin and see what are there. So here it'll ask for the admin. Oh, sorry, admin. All right, so this will log into your WordPress backend. So here you can just navigate and see what are the settings there, plugins, themes. And so here the themes installed as default, and here you can go to the settings. So here's the URL saved of the WordPress site. Yes, so here's the media, here's the post. So yes, so next session, so mostly it will be into the how to install our theme, plugins, and create a post, so etc. So let's see in the next session. And so let's move into this local software. So here you can see the open site folder. Here the WordPress file will be saved. So go to the public. So here, yes, so here are the files, WordPress files. So don't do anything into these system files. Just go to the, so we are only able to changes on this WP content, plugins, themes, upload. So these are the files which can be updated. So yes, so that's it on this local software. You can go to the database as well. Just check, you can check your database tables here. So I won't be going into the deep into this. So yeah, and here are the tools. So yes, so this is the March. So next session will be mostly on this, as I said before, installing themes, plugins, and creating a post, so etc. So thank you for watching guys this video, and hopefully we'll be meeting soon in the next video. And I'll be attaching this local software URL on the description. So please subscribe my channel and like my channel as well, like the video, and comment as well. So if you have any doubts, please comment, so I can just come and just reply with your yes. So yeah, so let's meet on the next session. Thanks guys for watching.